That is the March wind blowing. The sky is gorgeous. Yes, this is above my head. This is down the stretch there. It's above my head. Wow. Okay, guys. I'm just walking. Mr. Lucky Pants, and this is the sky. And yes, that's blinding, but beautifully well done. The wind, of course, that's another story. It will not even let me stand up straight. Look at that, guys, happening up there. Do you think that's a cloud? The way it's spinning. Oh my goodness, the wind is crazy. The wind is very crazy up there. Yeah, that's just awkwardly I'm standing here watching it going, wow. Okay, come on, let's go. I hope you enjoyed the blue sky. We're coming into toward the house where we're about here. Okay, guys. Woo. Let's do it. Shall we? Woo. Lucky, come on, honey. Let's go. Let's go. You're dragging. Uh-huh. You like it out here. You want to stay a little longer? Okay, guys. We're going in. Oh, y'all, this is the morning routine. 2 for you. Let's get Lucky a treat. No, this is for Lucky Pants. Wiggle Wow. No, those are Lucky's. And these are Lucky's. He gets these before he goes to bed. Keeps him from chewing his paws. Y'all ever had those for your pets? Ooh. I think. Sugar, you're not going to eat his treat. Sugar, no. No, that's Wiggle Wow dog treats. Sorry, Sugar's trying to. No. Here, Mama. Here, baby. Mama got it for you. No, Sugar. You already had yours. Leave it. Leave. Leave. Leave it. Lucky loves his Wiggle Wow treats. Sugar wants the crumbs. You wait for the crumbs. Are you waiting? Yeah, you look so cool in your scarf Mama crocheted you. Did I say scarf? Please. You guys know I meant collar, scarf. It's a scarf collar. Something to that nature. It's all gone, baby. You did a good job. You ate it. Good boy. Oh my goodness, y'all. Mama is not down here. Okay. The coffee water is about to start squalling. But I'm not going to make it until she comes down, so I'm going to turn that little thing off. Whew. And I started, y'all. I started prepping the sink to do dishes. And realized Lucky probably wanted to go out. Here's our blooms still going strong. Poinsettia from Aldi in December. Still beautiful and blooming, y'all. And this, I'm sorry, let me fix it. Maybe that will help. Oh, it doesn't. I was trying to put a little light on the subject, you all. Anyway, that, absolutely beautiful. 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 Goodness. Going on up in here, you all. There. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, but the wind is fierce out there. Not as bad as the other day, but it's definitely March winds are blowing. Definitely. As a matter of fact, the winds blew a bunch of stuff over. Bunch of stuff got blown over out here. Yeah, well, yeah, let's see, we've got a messy mess, as my granddaughter used to say, messy mess back deck. The wind blew over the greenhouse, which is in that container there. It blew over this little tree. We've got 2 chairs still three chairs still up. But that's the weather right now, you all, out there. That's it. That is it. And I look like I just got out of bed. I did. I got out of bed a little bit ago. Fed the critters and then walked like you just got invited on the walk to see the sky, which was so beautiful. Yeah. And the sky is still beautiful. Hey guys, I'd take you along with me for the rest of the ride. But probably not this time. Mama's still, I don't know where she is. I called her name a couple times, no answer. So I'm going to try and fix a nice breakfast. Even though I feel very foggy. Possibly we can, no chocolate gravy today, but I think I want to bake pancakes. I think pancakes are in order. I do have some fresh strawberries. I might throw them in the mix. So that's getting ready to happen, y'all. This little pot is about to whistle. Oh, I knew it. I could hear it. Okay. And the hills are calling. I want to go. I want to go back to the homestead, the home country, but there's no place to stay there. God bless you all. Have a great super duper day.